One of the things I have to be on guard for is over trading, and the it's easy for me because I use small lots. I use the smallest lot that I can, and if Onanda offered a smaller lot, I'd use smaller still. There's a reason for that. If you wait for the better trades, which is something that's really hard for me to do, but if you wait for the better trades, a small lot is all you need because you really don't need that much unless you're trying to be a millionaire next month, and I'm not. This here is just a 10 period moving average, and the reason why it's 10 periods is because a lot of people put faith in the 10 period and 20 period moving averages, and we're on the 1 hour chart. The wingdings, if you write a lot of indicators, I might write 2 or 3 a day or more. I'll forget what that circle's for. So I put legends over here, QQE crossed below the signal line for red, so it crossed below there. Square, QQE crossed below the 50, right there. And the little triangle, whatever that outfit is, crossed below the 0. Yeah, it crossed above the 0 there. Oh, it's right there. You barely can see it. It's two signals on top of each other. If you wait for the better signals, you don't need that much, or at least I don't need that much. The 10 period moving average, you're above the alligator. The 10 period moving average is moving down, and you're below the alligator. A lot of what I write has other stuff on other pages. I might be able to right click on the indicator and like page 1, page 2 type thing. Here's why I feel I don't need to use big lots. If the account balance on this account here is $500, if you could get 1% interest today, what is today, 5/21/2017, you're doing good. I don't know what the interest rate is, but heck, it might be 1/10 of 1%. But let's just say 1%, make the math easy. $500 in a year, you've made $5. So that's 10 cents a week, or actually a little less than 10 cents a week. So if your weekly target, 52 weeks, was 10 cents, you'd make that $500, 10 cents. 10 cents is about the price of 6 beer cans. That's sad, isn't it? The margin required to open that size lot on a standard account, which would be 1/10 of a mini lot, is $22. The pips required to make that 10 cents in 1 week is less than 1 pip. It's less than 1 pip. Because actually you don't need to make 10 cents. It rounded up to 10. So all you have to do is make one on the Euro USD is make 1 pip with that size trade, which is, anybody's ever seen my trades, you know that's the size trade I like, every week, and you've beat that interest rate. So if you wait for the trades, the moving averages, the QQE must have poked its head above something there, and the different signals, wait till they line up and then go with that 1 pip. You know, I'm not gonna say it's easy to make, but it's sure better than going when things are against you. Let's see here. This here, Euro USD, it's all the pairs. This is the 3-period chart, 1 hour. This is the 3-period on the 1 hour, the 5 on the 1 hour, the 10 on the 1 hour, the 20, 30, all the way up. The 10-period moving average on a 4-hour chart, the 10-period moving average would be a 40 on the 1-hour chart. And the 10-period moving average on a day would be 240 on the hour. So from a single hour chart, you can look at just about every meaningful moving average. And you can tell that they've been going up a considerable amount of time. Matter of fact, all the euro pairs have been going up here lately. And what I'm doing here, I'm drilling down to find a point where I can more easily make that 1 pip. Okay, this is one of those things with multiple pages. There's like 10 pages on this thing. Now we're looking at just a Euro USD, and we're looking at those same moving averages. And this is the moving average last bar. That's 2 bars ago, 3 bars ago, 4 bars ago, 5 bars ago, 6 bars ago. So 6 bars ago, every single moving average was going up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bars ago, unless I counted wrong, every single one was going up. And the one before that, 14 was going up. So let's just use this. The Euro USD closed at 1162. The next close was 1177. The next close was 1178, 88, 94, 88, 90, bouncing around. 1210, 1203, 1203, and now it's kind of falling back. Looks like it's recovered some. But my point is, if you wait till you line all your ducks up in a row, that 1 pip might not be as hard as it is to make when I'm over trading. If I'm just throwing trades out there, like I'm really subject to do, I'm not going to do well. But if I wait and my lot size is small, see what's that one? I don't need to make but 1 pip on this $500 account, 1 pip per week, and I will beat that little nickel and dime interest rate. And this sort of thing, you can do this with anything. I just happen to do it on this particular deal with moving averages. But you can go, and use the QQE. You can use stochastic. You can use anything. Wait to the majority of them. In this case, I waited to all of them, but that's rare. Being in my ears. Not good. Wait to some EUR USD. You can't tell it right now because this is taking too long, but that's a signal there. The fact that the colors are lime is a signal. That's the only signal. Wait till your ducks are in a row and then shoot. And don't overtrade like me.